I mean, I like it. I like feeling like I'm needed. Well, right now we're in South Korea. We are on the airstrip right now. We got birds just bringing in ammo, taking it off the birds, putting it on our trucks, strapping it down, just make it ready to go so it's safe on the roads, and then bringing it out to the range.
From Okinawa, this is my first deployment. Quite the change from driving from Okinawa to Korea. In Okinawa, we drive on the left side of the road. Back here, we drive on the right side of the road again.